Alright everybody, here's where the rubber meets the road. I'm going to play a couple clips for you. There's going to be the first clip here, which is about 1:45, and then clip number 2 is going to start somewhere around there. You'll see me take off again. Now, one of these clips is with the Heliorc on the reverb with the exact same components, running multi-shot, and the other one is going to be the Bardwell F4 at 80K 8K running butterfly 3.4.1. The only difference is I've spent 20-25 packs trying to get this reverb to where the other one with butterfly was, simply by dumping over my pre-existing PIDs. So take a look at the two clips and tell me which one you think is which and which one you think actually looks better, and then come back to about 3 minutes and 15 seconds if you want to, and I will reveal the answer. Alright, so here we are. This is the entirety of clip number 1, and this is with the Heliorc running at 16K. Now, I know I've put a lot of time into this, and a lot more, honestly, than I expected that I was going to have to put into this. But I just like the way that it feels. Also, I can see that I have tamed a lot of the mid-throttle oscillations. There's still a little bit there, but there's not as much as there is in the actual butterfly flight that was in clip number 2. Honestly, I was kind of surprised when I was flying pack number 2 with the butterfly. I felt like it was going to look better and like it was a winner, but when I came back and just started looking at the video and everything like that, I could definitely see places where there was a lot more mid-throttle oscillations and all that kind of stuff, which means that I'm going to have to end up tuning and stuff anyway. So it's like, if I'm going to spend my time on something, I might as well spend it on something that has a better technology built into it, and something that's going to be more, I guess, future-proof. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. The bottom line out of this is one of these quads is going to get stripped down. At least I'm going to be ripping crossfires out of them and changing some VTXs and stuff around so I can work on a few iNav builds. But it's just kind of where I'm at with it. I'm kind of over tuning right now. I might fly a few more packs and take some black box logs and see if I can get some feedback. And you know, I don't want to go over any numbers or anything like that yet. I will tell you that my Q values are down to like 1,000 on each access, and I think 750 on y'all. And then D gains are below 20s. P gains are like 22 or 23 on roll and about 36 on pitch. I gains are down to like 40. So, you know, there's something that's definitely going on inside there to get the same flight characteristics and nearly the same, if not better, looking video out of it. So that's going to be it for this one, and be back with another couple of videos, maybe at the end of the weekend if I can, if I spend some more time on it. But honestly, I'm just ready to get back to doing something else. So that's going to be it for now, guys. Let me know what you think.